Hi viewers, hi everyone. Thank you for watching our video in Mind Maths channel. And today's topic is trigonometry, and we continue in this video trigonometry. And in this the subtitle is trigonometric ratios in right angular triangle. Already we learned in previous video that six is trigonometric ratios we learned, and today we have to learn six ratios. These six ratios in right angle triangle. How we can find in a right angle triangle? First, we have to draw a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle ABC. ABC triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. We taken angle B is equal to 90 degrees. And now we have to find the trigonometric ratios. How we can find the six trigonometric ratios of acute angles, angle A respective to angle B, C also. We have to find trigonometric ratios of angle A and also trigonometric ratios of angle C. Okay. Now first we have to take angle A, this one. According to this angle in this triangle, 90 degrees is angle B. So opposite side of this right angular triangle is AC. This AC is a hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. It is always same according to angle A and also angle C. Hypotenuse is the same, but opposite sides and adjacent sides will be changed. I will explain that. Okay, and now we are taking angle A. According to this angle A, BC, this BC, side BC is opposite side. AB is the adjacent side of angle A. That means BC, side BC is opposite side of angle A. AB is adjacent side of angle A. Okay, as same for this angle. That means according to this angle, angle A is here and the angle B is 90 degrees. So it is a hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. It is same, but it is angle and the opposite side is this one. So the opposite side of angle C is AB and adjacent side is BC. Okay, these things we have to know first to find the trigonometric ratios. Okay, now I'm taking the first ratio sine and angle A, angle A. Okay, but this angle I'm taking sine A is equal to actually sine ratio formula is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of angle A here? Angle A opposite side is BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. And the second ratio is cos A. Okay, here cos A formula is we know that adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side here? Adjacent side is AB. Adjacent AB is adjacent side of angle A divided by hypotenuse AC. And next third, tan A is equal to opposite side of angle A divided by adjacent side of angle A. Opposite side of angle A divided by hypotenuse. It is equal to opposite side of angle A is BC divided by not hypotenuse, adjacent side. Adjacent side is AB. Adjacent side of angle A is AB. And now next Fourth one, sec. No, no, cot. Cot A. Cot A is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is AB. Adjacent side of angle A is AB. Opposite side is BC. Okay. Next, fifth one, sec. Sec A. Sec A is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Adjacent side. Okay. Now you see, sec A is hypotenuse is AC divided by adjacent side is AB. AB. Okay. Next, sixth one, cosec. Cosec A. Cosec A is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Opposite side. So what is the hypotenuse in this figure? AC. And opposite side is BC. Okay. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios in right angle triangle. Okay, here triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Okay, we taken one acute angle A, and respect to that angle we found trigonometric ratios. Okay, this is angle A. Now angle C, we take angle C. Also we can find the trigonometric ratios of angle C in the same triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, first we have to find sine C. Okay, where is C here? Here, this one. Actually, sine ratio is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side to the angle C is AB. So, AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Now, you observe this. Sin C is equal to AB by AC. That means opposite side of angle C divided by hypotenuse. Also, you observe in this AB by AC, this one, AB by AC. In the same triangle, the value of AB by AC and the AB by AC are same. That is why we can write this one is equal to AB by AC is equal to cos A, cos A, cos A. Okay. So we rounded up this. Next, the second one, cos. Cos C is equal to cos trigonometric ratio cos C is equal to cos of any angle is equal to adjacent side of the angle divided by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent angle? Adjacent side of angle C, BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Also we can observe that here BC by AC is equal to BC by AC. Both are same in the same triangle. That is why it is equal to sine A. Also we can write sine A. That means in a triangle ABC, right angle to triangle ABC, right angle to B, then angle A and angle C are acute angles. Then sine A is equal to cos C, and sine C is equal to cos A, or cos A is equal to sine C. This is very important. And third one, tan. Tan C is equal to tan ratio opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side of this angle is AB. AB divided by adjacent side is BC. Okay, but you can we can see this AB by BC. AB by BC is this one in the same triangle. So it is equal to cot A. It is equal to, we can write cot A. Cot A. Okay. Also fourth, cot C. Cot C. Cot C value, actually the trigonometric ratio cot is adjacent side divided by opposite side. Cot adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side of angle C is BC divided by opposite side is AB. So it is equal to, you see this one, BC by AB is this one. That means it is tan A. So its value is tan A. Tan A. That means tan A is equal to cos C. Cot A is equal to tan C. Okay. Next one, fifth one, sec. Sec C is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. So it is equal to hypotenuse is AC divided by adjacent side is BC. But you see here AC by BC is this one. So it is equal to cosec A. It is equal to cosec A. Cosec A. Okay. And the next one, one more, cosec. Sixth one, cosec. Cosec C is equal to, cosec C is equal to, how much it is? It is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Hypotenuse is AC divided by hypotenuse. That means hypotenuse is AC and opposite side. What is the opposite side? AB. AB. But this one is AC by AB is this one. AC by AB. It is equal to sec A. Sec A. Okay. So we can observe that it is very important. Everyone knows about this. Everyone need to know about this. That is sin A is equal to cos C. Where it is in a same triangle. That means in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, then A and C are angle A and angle C are acute angle triangle, acute angles, and then sin A is equal to cos C. Sin A is equal to cos C. Sin A is equal to cos C, or cos A is equal to sin C. Cos A is equal to sin C. Cos A is equal to sin C. As it is, these are cot A is equal to tan C. Tan A is equal to cot C. And next, cosec A is equal to sec C. Sec A is equal to cosec C. Okay, that means sin A is equal to cos C. Cos A is equal to sin A. Sin and cos. Okay. Next, tan A is equal to cot C. Cot A is equal to tan C. And next, sec A is equal to cosec C. And cosec C is equal to sec C. Okay. These are the trigonometric ratios and the relationship between two acute angles, remaining two acute angles in a right angle triangle. Okay, actually we can observe that this is 90 degrees and angle A and angle C are complementary angles. Complementary angles. Then we can say that if A and C are angles, A and C are complementary angles, then sin A is equal to cos C. Sin C, cos A is equal to sin C. I like that, so on. Okay. Thank you everyone for this for watching this video. If you not subscribed still now our channel, please subscribe now and click on the bell symbol to receive new updates. Thank you everyone.